Okay, so I thought this trade was under. Maybe if they added. This trade was under 2.
Like very under.
Of course, I'm trading a neon albino monkey. I don't know why I put that. I think the server was a good thing to do trades.
Kinda little.
Some of the footage got cut off, so this isn't all the offers I got in.
Yeah, so she traded her neon dodo for it, if you cannot see.
I thought this offer would have been really good if they took away the frog and added a mere bad legendary. As I'm saying here, we're gonna end this. Bye, my little Atlantics. I really enjoyed